executive producer signed up to be an executive producer, and that's it. As the time progressed in this film, she decided that she wanted to be a producer. She started to make edits. She wanted to be part of the editing team. There were people hired, like human beings actually hired to do the editing job.
Hollywood loves drama, but sometimes the biggest plot twists happen off screen. Right now, a legal battle is unfolding between It Ends With Us co-stars Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni, and it's nothing short of a Hollywood thriller. Allegations of sexual harassment, defamation lawsuits, leaked emails, and a courtroom showdown. This case has everything. Let's break it all down. The feud started when Blake Lively accused Baldoni of sexually harassing her on the set of It Ends With Us. She claims that after she spoke out, Baldoni teamed up with others to launch a smear campaign against her in the media. But Baldoni didn't stay silent. He fired back with a lawsuit of his own, not just against Lively, but also her husband, Ryan Reynolds, accusing them of defamation. And now, things are heating up in court. Recently, U.S. District Judge Louis J. Lyman held a pretrial hearing in New York City, where lawyers from both sides faced off for the first time. But neither Lively nor Baldoni were present. The trial is scheduled for March 2026, but the judge made it clear, if the public war of words continues, the trial date could be moved up. He told the lawyers, "You've got a lot in front of the court that gives, I think, the public plenty to feast upon." Basically, he's warning them to stop fueling the media frenzy. Lively's legal team is particularly frustrated. They've accused Baldoni's attorney, Brian Friedman, of waging a harassing and retaliatory media campaign against her. They even requested a gag order to stop Baldoni's side from making daily media statements. But Friedman isn't backing down. He says Baldoni has been unfairly targeted and is ready to take this fight to court. Lively's lawyer, Michael Gottlieb, described the situation as an all-out war in the press. He compared it to two 4-year-olds in a playground. And honestly, that's not far from the truth. What was supposed to be a legal case has turned into a media circus, with both sides accusing each other of leaks, harassment, and retaliation. One of the most intense moments in the hearing came when Friedman pushed to have Lively questioned under oath. But the judge shut that down, saying she won't have to face a deposition, at least not yet. However, the judge also warned that Lively doesn't get to choose her interrogator, meaning she might not be able to avoid testifying altogether. Meanwhile, Baldoni's legal team has gone on the offensive in a big way. They recently launched a website containing 168 pages of personal emails, documents, and text messages between Lively and Baldoni. Some of the messages seem friendly, even flirty. In one text, Lively wrote to Baldoni, "If you knew me longer, you'd have a sense of how flirty and yummy the ball-busting will play. It's my love language, spicy and playfully bold, never with teeth." Now, what exactly she meant by that isn't clear, but Baldoni's team is using these messages to argue that their relationship wasn't what Lively is portraying it to be. Lively's side, however, is demanding answers. They want to know who created the website and who funded it. But this case isn't just about Baldoni and Lively anymore. Baldoni has also filed a massive $400 million lawsuit against Lively and Reynolds, claiming defamation and extortion. Lively's legal team has responded by accusing Baldoni of using a psychological tactic known as DARVO, deny, attack, reverse victim, and offender, which is often associated with abusers trying to manipulate the narrative. And that's not all. Baldoni is also suing the New York Times for defamation after they published an article detailing Lively's allegations. He claims the newspaper worked with Lively to ruin his reputation, but the Times is standing by their reporting, saying they meticulously and responsibly reviewed thousands of pages of original documents before publishing their story. Friedman, Baldoni's attorney, argues that his client has lost hundreds of millions of dollars since the article came out. He says people are reacting to the controversy before a judge has even ruled on who is right or wrong. So, how did all of this start? It dates back to December 20th, when Lively filed a civil rights complaint against Baldoni in Los Angeles. She accused him of sexual harassment and claimed he hired a crisis firm to manipulate public opinion against her. Later, she took the case to federal court in New York. Baldoni's legal team has denied everything, calling her accusations completely false. This entire legal battle has put It Ends With Us under a massive spotlight. Baldoni bought the rights to the book in 2019 and directed the film adaptation, with Lively as the lead actress. Fans had been excited about the project for years, but now the film is overshadowed by controversy. During the movie's promotion, online speculation about Lively and Baldoni's relationship exploded. Some fans accused Lively of being controlling and even displaying mean girl behavior. Lively claims this was all part of Baldoni's effort to damage her reputation, but Baldoni's team denies playing any role in the narrative. At this point, it's clear this fight isn't ending anytime soon. Both sides are digging in, and as more details come to light, the case is only getting messier. With millions of dollars and reputations at stake, this is shaping up to be one of Hollywood's biggest legal showdowns.